Dear students, good morning one and all. This is Sridevi, HOD of MSc Mathematics. I hope you are all safe at home. Due to the pandemic situation of COVID-19, for the convenience of students, the faculty of KJRL College of PG courses conducting classes through online. Today I am introducing the syllabus of third semester MSc Mathematics. We have 5 theory papers in this semester. Each paper consists 4 units. Paper 1, Functional Analysis. Paper 2, Lebesgue Theory. Paper 3, Analytical Number Theory. Paper 4, Partial Differential Equations. Paper 5, Commutative Algebra. In these 5 papers, one fifth paper is optional paper, that is commutative algebra was born on around later half of the 20th century to create geometry and number theory. In the 20th century, commutative algebra also has been very widely used in computational aspects of engineering as well as science. Now, the commutative algebra is used in cryptography, mobile application, theoretical computer science. Plus and dot. Where plus is usual addition and dot is usual multiplication. Then the algebraic structure A comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring if first one, A plus is abelian group. Second one, A dot is semi group. Third one is dot is distributive with respect to addition. With respect to addition. A comma plus is abelian group means dot is plus is associative. That means A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. For all A comma B comma C belongs to A. And this second one is existence of identity. That means for A belongs to A, there exists 0 belongs to A, such that A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A. And existence of inverse. That means for A belongs to A, there exists B belongs to A, such that A plus B is equal to 0 is equal to B plus A, where B is called additive inverse of A. And the fourth one is commutative. And the fourth one is commutative. Commutative means A plus B is equal to B plus A. For all A comma B belongs to A. These four properties, A plus A comma plus is abelian group. A comma plus abelian group means associative, existence of identity, existence of inverse, and the commutative property. Next, A dot is semi-group. This means dot is associative in A. That means A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C. For all A comma B comma C belongs to A. And the third one is distributive. Distributive means A dot distributive with respect to addition. That means A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. For all A comma B comma C belongs to A. And second one, A plus B dot C is equal to A dot C plus B dot C. For all A comma B comma C belongs to A. Ring means let A be a non-empty set with two binary operations, plus and dot, where plus is usual addition and dot is usual multiplication. Then the algebraic structure A comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring if A plus is abelian group, A dot is semi group, and dot is distributive with respect to addition. Next, commutative ring is said to be commutative ring. Commutative ring if A dot B is equal to B dot A. For all A comma B belongs to A. This means dot is commutative in A. Next, zero ring. Zero ring. If A is equal to singleton set 0, then 0 itself satisfies all the properties of ring. So, singleton set 0 is 0 ring. Next, subring. A subset. Yes, of a ring A is said to be subring. If S itself is a ring, with respect to the same binary operations, in A. S is a subset of A and S itself is a ring with respect to the same binary operations in A. Next definition, homomorphism of a ring. Homomorphism. Let A and B are two rings A to B is said to be ring homomorphism. Is said to be ring homomorphism. If f of a plus b is equal to f of a plus f of b for all a comma b belongs to a. Second one, f of a to f of b for all a comma b belongs to a. And the third one is f of 1 is equal to 1. Ring with unity. Next definition, ring with unity. Let a comma plus comma dot is a ring is said to be said to be ring with unity. Ring with unity. If for A belongs to A, there exists 1 belongs to A, such that A into 1 is equal to A is equal to 1 into A. For all 1 into A. Where 1 is multiplicative identity, this identity element is